Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lovely savoury pancakes, and they're going to be layered with some chicken and broccoli with some tomato sauce and some cheese sauce and cooked in the oven, and they are delicious. So I hope you enjoy. There you have savoury pancakes stuffed with chicken, cheese sauce and tomato sauce with some broccoli. So for a batter mix, we want to put some flour, some eggs that you need to whisk. Okay, so we're just going to add our eggs and start to whisk. And just start pulling the flour from the edge. And then as it gets quite thick, you can still have some flour around the edge, that's okay. You add your milk, a little bit at a time. And start bringing in that flour from the edge. And just give it a good whisk. And you'll feel if it's the right consistency or not when you just get a ladle and you kind of just pour it. If you feel it's too thick, just add a bit more milk. Now you melt a bit of butter in a pan. Okay, you want your pan fairly hot. Now if you want your pancake nice and thick, then you want a ladle full. Now as you can see, by putting one ladle full in, this is quite thick, but we need it a nice thick one for the base of this dish that I'm going to be showing you. And I always use a plastic utensil to turn rather than a metal one, because otherwise you could damage your non-stick pan. Of course you can flip these and have fun with it, but in the video I'm just going to use a utensil. So we just put this on a plate and put it to one side. So if you put about 3/4 of a ladle full in and then swirl it around and cover it so it's a bit thinner, and then you get the nice crispy edge. And to have them nice and thin like this with a crispy edge is lovely if you're doing a sweet filling for it. Right, so for our tomato sauce, I'm showing you how to make a homemade sauce, but of course you can always just buy a jar or whatever is easiest for you. Bit of cooking oil, salt, some pepper, some ground ginger, some nutmeg, oregano, parsley, some thyme, or you could always use mixed herbs if you didn't have these. Then you just add a tin of chopped tomatoes. I thought I was getting tin chopped tomatoes, but these are cherry tomatoes, but that's okay because we're going to liquidize them. So you basically just let these simmer for a good 10 minutes and then we liquidize them, and that's your tomato sauce. It's very, very simple. The crepes are already done. We're cooking our tomatoes, and while they're cooking we'll make the cheese sauce. So you want to just melt a bit of butter, add some flour until it's nice and thick, so you have a nice thick substance in your pot. And after about a minute we just add the milk in slowly, a little bit at a time. Then once your white sauce has cooled down, you turn it off the heat and let it cool down for about 5 minutes, and then you add a bit of cheese. Right, and you just want to cut some chicken. I use the scissors because it's easier than a knife, and you want to just do little small strips. Okay, so in our wok, what we need to do now is put our chicken into some hot oil and some broccoli. It's such a lovely combination with chicken and broccoli. The colour of the vibrant broccoli against the chicken is so nice. I mean, obviously you can steam your chicken and broccoli if you prefer to do it that way. Okay, now we're going to lay up our pancakes. So we'll put the first one down. Now obviously a round dish would be ideal to do this, but I've just got this rectangle one, so that'll have to do. And we just get a bit of our homemade tomato sauce, or your shop bought one, whichever you prefer. Now I've just liquidized this a little bit. I'm just going to cut into it and dish it up on a plate so you can see what it's like inside. There you have savoury pancakes stuffed with chicken, cheese sauce and tomato sauce with some broccoli. Thank you for watching Lifestyle with Sharon video today on how to make some lovely savoury pancakes filled with chicken, broccoli, tomato sauce and cheese sauce. Hope you enjoyed it.